Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to talk about how to clean your home in the least toxic way. If you go under your sink right now in your kitchen, you probably have a lot of toxic chemicals that you use to clean your counters or clean your stove or your sinks. And I'm going to show you some very simple ways with a couple of very basic ingredients on how to clean everything in your home without toxic chemicals. You literally will be able to throw away just about everything under your sink, and you'll actually have space under there now. So I'm going to start with just showing you the basic ingredients that you need to get. So you are going to need baking soda, vinegar, maybe some lemon juice, and I'll tell you what that maybe is right there. And then these microfiber cloths, and we'll talk about that in a minute. So the first thing, and probably the most common thing that I use for cleaning, is vinegar. And I love these spray bottles. I buy these in the multi-pack at Home Depot, and it's got a great spray on it. It holds quite a bit of cleaning fluid. And so what I'll do is I take my vinegar and I just put just a little bit in here, maybe a quarter of a cup. That's even a lot when it comes to vinegar. And then I just fill the rest with water. Now, sometimes I'll put lemon juice in here as well. The problem with that is it clogs the sprayer. And the lemon juice will make it smell pretty, but sometimes I just don't feel like cleaning out the sprayer. So I'll leave the lemon juice out, and that's when I will just put in a couple of drops of essential oils. So essential oils are really great to help everything smell good, plus essential oils really help with disinfecting. So that's your basic cleaning product. This cleans everything. I use it to clean everything from the counters to my cooktop, my stainless steel cooktop, my sinks. I will use this on the bathroom walls, my shower walls, and a scrub brush. I use this on everything. When I clean my toilets, this is what I use to clean the tops and the bottom of the toilet seats and all around it. I use this to clean my floors. It's my multi-purpose everything, and it is one bottle that doesn't take up any space underneath the sink. So that's your most basic product. This is your go-to for everything. The next thing is your baking soda. So all I do with the baking soda is this is just an old supplement jar, and once it was empty, I washed it out and I put baking soda in it. And I have one in each bathroom. And so I use this, I sprinkle it into the toilet bowl, I scrub it with the scrub brush, and I flush. And then I also use this on the tub. So sprinkle it in the tub, same thing, just take a scrub brush to it and it gets all the soap scum off. If there's still like a little bit of soap scum that you can't quite get rid of, then you might want to use this and spray some with this. If you wanted to, you could put a couple of drops of your essential oil into the tub and scrub that around, and that just helps it to smell good. So one of the other things, so these are the basic things that you should have everywhere in your home to use to clean everything. Baking soda is also really good for stainless steel. It's excellent on the sinks themselves, and again, the stainless steel cooktop, your stainless steel faucets, your porcelain sinks, all of those things. This has such a great abrasive, and it's safe and it doesn't scratch. So love the baking soda. So one of the things that baking soda and vinegar do magically is it creates like OxyClean. Now, the only other thing you're going to need is peroxide. So what happens is, and this is not food grade peroxide, so this is what I use when I need to clean something out of clothing, or if you have a stain of some sort and you want to get that bubbling action of OxyClean, you just put your peroxide, a little bit of your baking soda, and you put a little bit of, you can put this into a spray bottle, again diluted, just spray it on top of these two and it'll start to bubble away, and then you just leave it to soak. It does wonders. I've gotten wine stains, coffee stains, dirt stains out of so much clothing. So this is really, and even blood, okay? So it does, it cleans blood, which is, okay, you cut yourself and you got to get something out. So this is also, if your dog gets sprayed by a skunk, this is also the magic the magic ingredients is your vinegar, a little bit of baking soda, some Dawn dish soap, and a little bit of peroxide. Dilute that in about a gallon of water, bathe your dog, and skunk smell gone. So that's excellent. All right, and then the last thing that I wanted to show you is Dr. Bronner's Castile oil soap. This is actually what I use to bathe the dog when I bathe the dog. And I put it in just to a smaller squirt bottle, and it goes a long way. So it's all organic. It's made from, it's coconut based, and it's biodegradable, so it's not harmful to the environment. And yeah, it's fully biodegradable. And it cleans the dog, and it doesn't strip their skin, and it does not strip their fur. So I've been using this for years on my dogs and never had any problems with it. So I highly recommend this. And again, from a soap perspective, if you need something with suds, I also will put this on my sink, and I'll dilute it in a little bit of water, and I use it to clean my vegetables. So these are really your 4 basic ingredients that you can use for everything in your home. So recapping: vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and Dr. Bronner's or any other brand of Castile oil soap. And then you just need to get yourself a spray bottle. And that's it. The simplest way to get rid of all the chemicals. If you suffer from asthma, allergies, any kind of respiratory illness whatsoever, even chronic sinus issues, if you have any kind of anxiety, depression, anything going on with your nervous system, it's really critical to get the toxic chemicals out so you stop breathing in those vapors and replace it with something that's not going to be so dangerous to your health. So I hope that was helpful. If you like this video, please go ahead and leave me a comment. And as always, go ahead and subscribe and share this with somebody who you know, who maybe they use too many chemicals and they've got some health problems, or their kids have health problems, and they need a little bit of insight on how to clean up the kitchen and the house. All right, thanks so much for being here. As always, I will see you on the next one.